Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial we had talked about list or array list mapping. How we can map the list within the React.js component. So in today's tutorial we will be talking about some issues appearing in the console when you are doing mapping for any kind of list. Let me go ahead to my uh, browser and show you. As you guys see here, let me reload it to show you one more time. See, it's reloaded and I had received a warning. Each child in a list should have a unique key props. The React is saying please pass a unique key props. The key props you should pass, and it should be unique for each child you are giving in a map. So let me go to my code. In my code, I am in my map function. I'm passing this student as a child. I have to pass a key value to it, and it must be unique. Let me try. Let me say like I am passing UNIQUE any word to it. I'll go ahead and try to reload it. It says like key of two children with the same key unique. Like like for first one, for example, this the first children the key is unique. For the second children the key is unique. The React is saying your key must be different for each object of your child. How you can do that? You can use any of the key value that is unique from your list. For example, ID is unique or name is unique. You can use any one of these to map it in your key props. Let me go ahead and say student dot id. I'll pass student id as key props, and let me try to rename it. As you guys see, now there is no error or warning appearing in my console. So you had learned that what are key props and how you can pass them. Let's go to my student and try to fetch this key prop. Let me fetch it here as key and comma, and I will say this key prop I will just try to render it in our JSX at the beginning. I'll hit save and I'll go to my browser and try to reload it. Let's see what it is saying. Student key is not a props. Trying to accept it, it will result is in undefined being returned. If you need to access the same value within the child component, you should pass it as a different props. So it's saying the key props you are passing from your parents component, this one, it's a reserved word for React use only. You cannot access this as a child props here in the child component. If you want to have this value in your child component, you have to pass it with different name. So this is what we have so far for keys and in React.js. Let me go ahead and try to explain you a bit more detail in knowledge how it works in React. Let's see, we have one list, and in the list there is one Ali and Umar as child item. For example, I will want the React to add Fatima at the end of the same list. What React will do, React will take the first item for the list, existing list, and the new list that is updated. It will compare each other. It's same, it will keep it as it is. Then it will take the second item, Omar, and compare both of them. Both of them are same. React will keep them as it is. The third item it will take Fatima. It's not appearing in the existing list. It will just push them in the existing list, and it will appear in your web browser or DOM. In case I want to add a props at the beginning I want to add the value at the beginning of the child row. Like for example, I have a list Ali and Umar, and there is another list Ali, Umar and Fatima. This is the new list coming, but I want this Fatima to come on top of Ali. Like Fatima, then Ali, then Umar. In that cases, my first index for the new list will be Fatima, and for the existing list will be Ali. it will mismatch. The React will, what will do, will copy the first element. In the second element, it will be Umar for the existing list, and for the new list, it will be Ali. Again mismatch, React will copy the new element. The third, there is no one in the existing list, and the new list, it will be Umar. Again React will copy the same. So React will copy two elements unconditionally without any reason, as React should do what? React should just move them down and add the new element in the top, at the top. It should be for the best performance. But this is the scenario that will happen if there are no keys, and your app will perform. The complexity for your web application or your application or project or website will increase. On the other hand, if you have keys, if you are using keys, React will tell you, hey, I have a key, I am managing it with the help of keys. If, for example, Ali with key 1 is in the list already, if new list came, React will check if key 1 is available there, that's it. No need to add anything else. Then key 2 is available there, no need to do anything. Key 3, yeah, 3 is available and it's on top, just add it on the top. It will add only the key 3 at the top. React are keeping these references with the help, saving the keys as IDs or references that will help React to update the DOM efficiently. So I believe that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Inshallah, we'll meet you soon in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.